guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you the easiest and quickest fall decor DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a Dollar Tree straw mini broom, and they're in the fall decor section at Dollar Tree. And it did have two flowers at the bottom, but I pulled them off. And there's the barcode if you want to screenshot it. You're also going to need a velvet pumpkin pick from Dollar Tree, and these come in a few other colors, but I'm going with the pretty blue. You're going to need some cattail picks, and I picked these up for 97 cents at Walmart, two of those, Mainstays brand. And then I just have some leftover pieces of wheat and a leftover sunflower that I will be using. I am also going to be using this 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire that I picked up at Sam's Club. And now I removed the little scarecrow from the center of the broom and the two flowers that were on it. Next, we're going to make a bouquet. So take the cattail picks first and put them at the back. And then on the left and the right, I am just adding some of the wheat little pieces that I had left over from another DIY, so I'm just adding them to my hand, putting the pretty velvet pumpkin pick in the center, holding it nice and tight in my hand, and then the pretty sunflower right below it. Now you're going to need a zip tie to zip tie your little bouquet together. Make sure you get your zip tie nice and tight around your little bouquet of flowers, and you can make this for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for fall, and right now they have lots of cute little straw brooms in the fall decor section at Dollar Tree. So now I have my bouquet, and you're going to want to fluff and shape your little bouquet some, and then I'm making a bow for it. So I just let out a tail about 6 inches, making a loop, pinching it tightly in my left hand, going to the other side, letting out some more ribbon, going to pinch it together. Try to check your loops to make sure they're about the same size on each side. Going back to my first side, making another loop. Check to make sure it's the same size. Go back to the other side, make another loop. Then I'm going to let out about a 6-inch tail. Next, you're going to want to take a zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, or you can use floral wire. This is such a quick, easy, and inexpensive DIY. You can make this DIY in less than 5 minutes. To dovetail the ends, fold your tail in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Just kind of dresses up your bow. Then you're going to want to stick your hand in each loop and open up your loop. Now we have a pretty bow. Now I'm taking a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie on the back of the bow. That way I can easily attach my bow around my bouquet. So there's my wire. Now I'm going to take my bouquet of flowers, and I'm going right above the zip tie on the bouquet, wrapping the wire around it, going to the back. Make sure you get your wire nice and tight around your flowers. Next, you're going to want to fluff and shape your flowers a little bit, and then we're going to attach our bouquet to the little mini broom, and I just flipped it over to the back side. Now I'm taking the wire, wrapping it around the broom, going to the back of the broom, and going to twist the wires nice and tight. And then I did add some hot glue over the wires after I cut them short and fold them down, and then stuck a piece of extra ribbon over it. You'll also want to add a second wire at the top of your bouquet so it doesn't slide or move, and it already comes with a little piece of twine on your broom so you can hang it up on your door. In less than 5 minutes, you can have this beautiful fall decor on your door or your wall. It would also look great in a guest bathroom. There's all kinds of places that you can put this cute fall broom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.